X-rays are a type of radiation called electromagnetic waves. X-ray imaging creates pictures of the inside of your body. The images show that the part of your body in different shades of black and white. This is because different tissues absorb different amounts of radiation. Calcium in bones absorbs X-rays the most, so bones look white. Fat and other soft tissues absorb less and look gray. Air absorbs the least, so lungs look black. The most familiar use of X-rays is checking for fractures or broken bone. But X-rays are also used in other ways. For example, chest X-rays can spot pneumonia. Mammograms use X-rays to look for breast cancer. When you have an X-ray, you may wear a lid apron to protect certain parts of your body. The amount of radiation you get from an X-ray is small. For example, a chest X-ray gives out a radiation dose similar to the amount of radiation you're naturally exposed to from the environment over 10 days. Okay, students, today our topic is X-rays in medicine, physics for international students. Okay, students, our topic today is about X-rays in medicine. What are medical X-rays? X-rays are a form of electromagnetic radiation. Similar to visible light, unlike light, however, X-rays have higher energy and can pass through most objects, including the body. Medical X-rays are used to generate images of tissues and structures inside the body. If X-rays traveling through the body also pass through an X-ray detector on the other side of the patient, an image will be formed that represents the shadows formed by the object inside the body. How do X-rays work? One type of X-ray detector is photographic film, but there are many other types of detectors that are used to produce digital images. X-ray imaging creates pictures of the inside of your body. The X-ray images that result from this process are called radiograms. This technology is very famous. Wilhelm Röntgen discovered this technology. Okay, next about X-rays in medicine. Students, how the medical X-rays work? Let's say this one is X-ray source. To create a radiograph, we have to follow the steps. How do the medical X-rays work? 1. A patient is positioned so that the part of the body being imaged is located between an X-ray source and an X-ray detector. When the machine is turned on, X-rays travel through the body and are absorbed in different amounts by different tissues, depending on the radiological density of the tissues they pass through. Because of this property, bones readily absorb X-rays and thus produce high contrast on the X-ray detector. As a result, bony structures appear whiter than the other tissues against the black background of a radiograph. Conversely, X-rays travel more easily through less radiologically dense tissues such as fat and muscle, as well as through air-filled cavities such as the lungs. A flat panel detector contains charged coupled device or CCD convert X-ray low light. And after that, electronic signals will be transferred to a computer. These structures are displayed in shades of gray on a radiograph or X-ray digital image. Okay, students, this is the steps. How do the medical X-rays work? Is it clear? Good. Next, we go to CT scanner. What is the CT scanner? Medical professionals use computed tomography, also known as CT scan, to examine structures inside your body. A CT scan uses X-rays and computers to produce images of a cross-section of your body. It takes pictures that show very thin slices of your bones, muscles, organs, and blood vessels so that healthcare providers can see your body in great detail. Computed tomography or CT scan is a useful diagnostic tool for detecting diseases and injuries. It uses a series of X-rays and a computer to produce a 3D image of soft tissues and bones. CT is a painless, non-invasive way for your healthcare provider to diagnose conditions. You may have a CT scan at a hospital or imaging center. What happens during the test? During the test, you will lie on your back on a table, like a bed. If your test requires it, a healthcare provider may inject the contrast dye intravenously into your vein. This dye can make you feel flash or have a metallic taste in your mouth. Okay, students, how the CT scans work? How the CT scanner works?
When the scan begins, the bed slowly moves into the dot nut shape scanner. At this point, you will need to stay as still as possible because movement can create blurry images. Two, the scanner takes pictures of the area the healthcare provider needs to see. Unlike an MRI scan, a CT scan is silent.
And the last is, when the exam is over, the table moves back out of the scanner. That's the way how the CT scanner works. So, how do I prepare for a CT scan? Your healthcare provider will give you instruction on how to prepare for your CT scan. On the day of the exam, you should pay attention to arrival, diet, medications, and comfort. Okay, students? This is about CT scanner and X-ray in medicine. See you at the next topic, and bye-bye.